Marjorie Cabina Rivera and I'm a former flight attendant. I've been a franchisee for 2 years.
Hi, I'm Jerome, ang former employee. Ako po ay 2 years na po doing this Show My King and Talk Talk online franchise business.
My name is Princess Faye Chavez, flight attendant. I'm very, very happy that I'm part of this franchising business for 2 years na.
Hi, my name is Ann Bacho. I'm a former call center agent. I've been in our business for 3 years.
Hi, I'm Alex Thomas, a businessman. I'm an online franchisee for almost 1.5 years.
Hi, I'm Athea Basco. I'm proud franchisee. Actually, I'm in this business for almost 2 years.
Hi, I'm Ron Makadangdang, businessman. 2 years doing online franchise business.
And today, we are so very, very overwhelmed.
Ngayong araw na to, napaka-excited kami. May earnings ulit.
And we are very excited.
Take note weekly payday namin.
Kaya samahan niyo ako mamaya para makita natin kung magkano ang nakakakilig.
The 1 week check ko, no? See you later!
Ganon, sige. 1 week income ni Sir KM Pino!
Then I'm happy to say, Mr. Rene, na in the span of 1 week, I earned around 270,000 pesos.
Magkano sige mo, Sir?
120,335 pesos.
Congratulations! Malaman natin yan. Magkano ang sige? Sir Alex Thomas!
Ito po, naka-divide na dalawa sa kanila na nakaka. Ito, 80 sa 400. Bali ko, 225 po namin.
Ma'am Max, magkano po ang 1 week income nyo?
Ang 1 week income ng OTR ay 249,000.
What? 249,000? Wow!
Medyo maliit lang. 151K for 1 week income.
151,000! Magkano ang Jennifer Minis Jellybean?
228.
Uy!
Check it out, I know how to keep it real. Let go like a bad lucky wheel. Feel money like $100. If you like it, you see it, I'll be it.
Co-founder and CFO, Mr. Carlito Malangdang!
If there is one person na pinakamasaya sa araw na to, ask me who. Ask me who. Ako pinakamasaya para sa inyo. Itong pinasok mo, negosyo to. And this is a business para sa'yo, panghabang buhay. So kung pangmahabang buhay itong nakita mo at pinasok mo, habang buhay din natin itong gagawin. Tama? Pero ang masarap, ask me what?
What?
Meron kang pagkakakitaan panghabang buhay.
Yeah!